guys, I'm your homegirl Daphne Brown with Beyond the Home Realty, and today we are back in the community of Bayou Bend, located in Angleton, Texas. And we're gonna go over here to 125 Bayou Bend Boulevard, and we're gonna walk through this Sutherland floor plan.
City of mine, how I love the city of mine. It never gets me down.
This particular builder here in Bayou Bend is currently offering appliances, so fridge, washer and dryer as you saw earlier, and then also blinds for all the windows and front side and rear side, which is great because grass is expensive, okay? Now, in addition to the appliances, so the refrigerator, washer, dryer, window coverings, sod on the front and the rear, you also have a covered patio, and with the gas stub out so you can connect your grill and all those things. All you have to do is just bring all of your things here for an outdoor kitchen area or outdoor kick-it area, and you're ready to go. So now we'll take a look at the primary. We've already seen the ancillary bedrooms, but let's take a look at where the king or queen or king and queen would lay down at night, all right? So you have double sinks here, which is standard. You have a separate tub and shower as well. Water closet, that is its own special room, which I love. And in the Sutherland floor plan, this is your closet in the primary. Now let's go learn about Century Communities in Bayou Bend. Century Communities is new to the Angleton area, to the Brazoria area. They have been building in Houston forever, but again, they're new here, and they bought out Anglia Homes. So there you have it. All of the floor plans that we are presenting to you now are floor plans that belong to Century. So here in Bayou Bend, the estimated property tax rate is 2.02. The Homeowners Association dues are $250 annually. Although I will tell you right now, just right now at the recording date of this video, there has not been an established HOA, but if one were to ever be established, they show $250 annually. So this community is zoned to Northside Elementary, Angleton High School, and Angleton Junior High School. There are grocery stores around. There's an HEB, there's a Kroger, you have a Walmart, and you have an Aldi as well. If you have any questions about the community of Bayou Bend, please do not hesitate to reach out. I'd love to get a personal tour scheduled with you so we can come out here and we can show you all of the floor plans. Currently, there are 7 floor plans that are being built out here, and I'd love to show them to you and try to get a deal done for you because we want you to be home for the holidays. And we want to impress upon you that for all of your real estate needs, give us a call. We will be back here same time next week bringing you another home tour of another floor plan here in Bayou Bend. But make sure that you hit that bell, like ring my bell. Boo. Boo. Okay, anyway, hit that bell so that you are notified any and every time we drop videos. Make sure that you subscribe, share if you care. If you know someone who is looking to purchase and be home for the holidays, we would love to help them and give them a personal tour of this community, of any of the 8 floor plans that are being built in this community, but also there are more homes, more home tours planned. I want you to subscribe and hit that notification also, because we're going to be coming to you from Ashland, the community of Ashland, which is also in Angleton. It's Angleton's first master plan community. We're going to be putting all that in a playlist. Check that out. Stay here on the channel for as long as you like. Whatever you do, we want to remind you and impress upon you that we want to be your homegirls, because we are always ready and willing to enable you to find your way home. Till next time, guys. Bye-bye. You can ring my bell. Ring my bell. Before you go, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos that we bring you from all around Angleton.